Hi, let me show you how you can set up quick payments on your Huawei Watch Fit 4. So first, in the Huawei Health app, go to the devices and select Huawei Watch Fit 4. Now go to App Gallery and find application like HUAWEI Wallet. You have to download it, and also you have to download it from the Google Play Store because you need to have it on your phone. So now open the HUAWEI on the phone, and now click this plus in the payment cards to just add your payment card. Now you have to sign up here and you will be able to just add your payment card here. And if it's done, just take your Huawei Watch Fit 4 and go to the apps, and here is the HUAWEI Wallet. So now, if it's done, you should have your payment method over here. So that's all. Subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.